Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am sharing class 4 Set C paper, IMO paper of this year. If you are new, please like and subscribe my channel for more such updates. Question number 1. In a queue of girls, the position of Bhavna is 9th from the beginning and 18th from the end. How many total girls are there in that queue? See, 18 plus 9 gives 27. So there are 26 girls in the queue. Option B. Select the figure from the option which is exactly embedded in the given figure. It's option B. How many possible combination of one keyboard and one mouse each can be formed from the given keywords and mouses? It's 4 into 5, 20. Option C. Select the figure from the option which will complete the given figure pattern. It's option B. Which of the following letters are made up of both straight lines and curved lines? All the figures are made up of straight line and curved lines. So all of this. Select the combination of numbers so that the letters are arranged according to form a meaningful English word. It's option D. The word is cashew. Question number 7. Select the odd one out. TQ, PM, LJ and VS. Here option C because Q after adding two alphabets give T, R and S. In option B, M after adding two alphabets N and O we get P. And in option D after adding two alphabets T and U we get V. But option C there is only one alphabet between L and J. So option C is the odd one out. Codes of some letters are given below. What will be the code for trend? It's option A. Select the correct mirror image of the figure. It's option D. If Aman's sister's birthday falls on 9th day from 2nd Thursday of July, then what will be the next date after her birthday? It's option D, 19th July. Because 9th day from 2nd Thursday is 18th and day after 18 is 19th. So option D. Now let's start mathematical reasoning. Which of the following gives the least value? Largest factor of greatest 3-digit number. Greatest 3-digit number is 999 and its largest factor is number itself. Sum of first 5 multiples of 15 is 2 to 5. Sum of sixth multiple of 18 and second multiple of 25. That is 108 plus 50 gives 158. So least value is option C. Which of the following is an open figure? It's option B and C both are open figure. So option D. If all the prime digits are removed from the given arrangement, then what fraction of the remaining digits are even? After removing all the prime digits, the even digits are 4 only and total number of digits are 8. So 4 by 8 is the fraction which after reducing gives 1 by 2. Option C. Question number 14. Compare and fill in the box. The balloon number show is 7034. Smallest 5-digit number form having 4 at 100 place by using the given digits. The number will be 30407. And on right hand side the largest 5-digit number form having 3 at 10,000 place by using the given digit is 37740. So right side cloud is greater. So option C. What is the weight of a teen? After observing the figure, the weight of teen is equal to 11 balls. And therefore 10 balls is equal to 15.5 kg. So 1 ball is equal to 1.55 kg. And therefore weight of 11 balls is 17.05 kg, which is the weight of teen. Hence option D. Question number 16. Find the value of P into Q. Here P is equal to calculate the value of P, we have to divide 340 by 2. It's 170. And to calculate the value of Q, we have to divide 85 by 17. It's 5. So P is equal to 170 and Q is equal to 5. So P into Q is 850. Option A. The simplest form of shaded fraction of the given figure is, its total number of square shaded are 6 and total squares are 16. So 6 by 16 gives 3 by 8. Option B. How much does specs cost? See, the cost of 3 bag is 630. So cost of 1 bag is equal to 210. And after putting the value of bag In first equation, we get the value of 2 specs, that is 300. So 1 spec is equal to 150. Hence option B. Question number 19 and 20. Pictograph is given and some questions are given. Find the fraction of number of sacks stored in store T to the number of sacks stored in store S. In T, there are 300 sacks and in S, there are 450. So fraction of 300 to 450 is 2 by 3. Option C. If a vehicle can transport 15 sacks of rice in one trip, then how many trips will be taken to transport all the sacks in 5 store? Total number of sacks are 2250. Dividing it by 15, we get the answer 150. Option D. Let's start everyday mathematics. Mr. Patel bought 1697 cookies. After giving 8 cookies to each of the 9 children, he packed the rest of the cookies into boxes of 13 each. How many boxes did he pack in all? To calculate this, first we have to multiply 8 into 9, that is 72. After subtracting 72, we get 1625. Now 1625 cookies are packed in 13 boxes, so divided by 13, we get the answer 125. Hence option B. Capacity of small container is 400 ml and capacity of big container is 1500 ml. If Sumit uses 9 small container and 2 big container of water to fill up the empty tank, what is the capacity of the tank? Calculate this. First multiply 400 by 9 and 1500 by 2, and adding these two we get the answer 6600 ml, which is equal to 6 liter 600 ml. Option B. Question number 23. Vihan has 2350 flowers and he uses 2 by 5 of them to make some bouquet and use 720 flowers for decoration. How many flowers are left with him? 2 by 5 of 2350 is 940. After adding 720 to it, we get 1660. Now subtract these 1660 flowers. So 690 flowers are left. Mr. Mehta took 8 hours 15 minutes to drive from city X to city Y. After 1 hour 10 minutes break, he took another 3 hour 18 minutes to drive from Y to Z. He arrived the city Z at 7:52 p.m. At what time did he leave the city X? To calculate this, first we have to add all the time of a journey, that is 8 hour 15 minutes, 1 hour 10 minutes and 3 hour 18 minutes. We get 12 hours 43 minutes. Now convert the 7:52 p.m. in 24-hour clock format. It will give 1952. Subtract the total journey time and we get answer 7:09 a.m. So he left the city X at 7:09 a.m. Question number 25. Yashika bought 17 pieces of ribbon of length 5-15 centimeter each. How much length of ribbon did he buy? To calculate this, multiply 515 centimeter by 17. We get the answer 8755, which is 87 meter 55 centimeter. Option D. Question number 26. Perimeter of Rohan's rectangular painting frame and Priya's square painting frame is same. What is the length of Rohan's rectangular frame? Dimension of Priya's frame is 4. So its perimeter is 16. But both have same perimeter. So Rohan's frame also has a perimeter 16. Perimeter of a rectangle is length plus length and breadth plus breadth. So breadth is given 3. So 3 plus 3 6. After subtracting 6 from 16 we get 10. So length of one side is 5. Option A. On a particular day, 7593 people attended a football match. Round off the total number of people who attended the football match to nearest 100 place. After rounding off to nearest 100, the number become 7600. Option D. Pratik sold 375 masks and 640 pairs of gloves in a particular week. Find the fraction of number of masks sold to the total number of items sold in that week. The total of mask and pair of gloves is total number of items sold is 375 plus 640 gives 1015. So fraction is 375 upon 1015. After reducing gives 75 by 203. Option C. Arjun, think of a number which is less than 120 and the common multiple of 10 and 14. If the difference of its digit is 7, then number is. The common multiple of 10 and 14 is 70 and sum of the digits of 70 is 7. So it's option D. Question number 30. Sneha started from point A and walked 300 meter towards south, 400 meter towards east and reached the point B. From B, she walked 500 meter towards north, and reach C. Then walk 500 meters towards east and reach at point D. What type of figure is made by her movement? It is a open figure, option A. Let's start the achiever section. Fill in the blanks and select the correct option. The estimated difference of 7,138 and 4,910 when each number is rounded off to nearest thousand is. When 7,138 is round off to nearest thousand becomes 7,000 and other number become 5,000. 7,000 minus 5,000 gives 2,000. So P is 2,000. When number x is multiplied by 5 and then the product is divided by 4, the result is 480. Find the value of x. So for that, to calculate the value of x, first we have to multiply 480 by 4 and then result product is divided by 5. It's answer 384. The LCM of fifth multiple of 11 and third multiple of 5, that is 55 and 15, their LCM is 165, hence option D. Question number 32. Observe the given figure carefully and select the correct option. The number of lines of symmetry in figure Q is 2. Yes, it's right. Sum of perimeters of both the figure is 172. Yes. Figure P perimeter is 72 and figure Q perimeter is 100. So their sum is 172. So both the statement A and B are correct. Question number 33. The given table shows the number of children who preferred doing different activities in their free time. Study the table carefully and answer the questions. What fraction of total children preferred yoga? Total number of children are 60. So 8 by 60. After reducing you 2 by 15. Find the fraction of number of children who preferred cycling in the number of children who preferred photography. 10 by 16. So 5 by 8. What fraction of total children prefer gardening and swimming? So total of gardening and swimming is 26. 26 upon 60 will give 13 by 30. Hence option C. Question number 34. Solve the following and select the correct option. Myra bought 4 dresses and 1 blazer. She gave 9 notes of 500 to the shopkeeper and got 110 back. If the blazer cost 730, then find the cost of each dress. If cost of each dress is same. 9 notes of 500 is equal to 4,500. Subtract 110 because shopkeeper gave him 110 rupees back. So the amount spent is 4,390. It is a cost of 1 blazer and 4 dresses. But cost of 1 blazer is given, that is 730. Subtracting this cost of blazer, we get the cost of 4 dresses, that is 3660. So cost of 1 dress, divide the answer by 4, we get 915. Mr. Verma earns 13,250 every month. She spends 6,500 each month and saves the rest. Then how much total money will he save in this year? For that, first we have to subtract 6,500 from 13,215. So saving per month is 6,750. So for 12 months, that is for 1 year, it is 81,000. Last question, read the given statement carefully and state true or false. The Roman numeral for the number shown on the abacus is this. Yes, because the number on the abacus is 843 and the expanded form of this Roman numeral is 900 plus 40 plus 9. No, because it is a 969. So it's a false statement. Roman numerals are arranged in ascending order. After converting them in numbers, the numbers are 596, 714 and 909. So they are arranged in ascending order. Hence this statement is true. Hence the option A. This way class 4 set C paper of this series explained. If you are new, please like and subscribe my channel for more such updates. Thank you.